I'm Jade and I'm from the Gold Coast of Queensland. It's been a good 5-6 years sort of struggling, trying to figure things out on my own, having no business experience, having no marketing experience. So the reason I reached out to Claire for help was because I just had a lot of holes in my workflows. I didn't have a lot of automation set. I had been watching her for a little while. I knew that she knew her stuff. She's been doing it for ages. She's got testimonials galore about amazing students that she's helped build incredible businesses. And I wanted a piece of that. So definitely jump in and get Claire's help, because you will save a bucket load of time getting her to help you set up. So it's a couple of hours instead of like weeks and weeks of tearing your hair out. I would recommend the PBA to any photographer who's starting, middle, established. This will help literally any photographer out there, no matter where your business is. I am feeling like I don't know why I didn't start earlier. Claire is the bomb. She knows her stuff. If you haven't said yes, I don't know why. Hurry up.